Laser pointers are a lot of fun. They're also pretty useful when you're out camping and you're looking at constellations or satellites going by and you want to point at those things that are up there. There's so many of those these days. So I went with this one for a number of reasons. Right off the bat is it's rechargeable with USB, and you don't have to worry about a charging cable or anything because the port is right there on it, or the plug, I guess, is right there on it. Has a lanyard. This one has a little clip that goes over the button when you turn it on. Right off the bat, it's good to go. It has a diffraction thing on there, so it's sort of like a kaleidoscope. You can spin that and have a lot of fun. These are great under the trees in the side of a tent. Now you can spin that thing off of the front of the laser itself, and then this diffraction comes off, and now you have just a laser pointer. This thing's a pretty powerful one, temporary on and rechargeable with USB. That's why I bought it. Hope this helps.